Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to shove it and 360 shove it. Okay, this is a shove it, and this is a 360 shove it. Okay, first, I'm going to teach you how to shove it. First, you want to put your feet just like this. See, your feet planted on the middle of the tail. Not going too much to the side or to the any side. Or it's going to flip into a kick flip or a heel flip position. So, first, you're going to scoot your foot just like that. Just to the side. And your front foot is going to just get out of the way. Just going to lift it up. That's it. The problems with this trick is when you're landing, your feet just like step out just like a normal ollie, or when you're landing, your feet catches it on the side and it flips, and you can't get it right there. So try put your feet in the middle of the board, just like this, and then you're gonna shove, lift up, and get it. For the 360 shove it, same thing as a normal shove it, but you're gonna just scoop it harder, and your feet's gonna be more off to the to a kick flip position instead of a normal shove it. Then you're gonna scoop hard until it gets the whole 360 rotation, and you get it. Because if you can get the whole 360 rotation, it's not gonna go as a 360 shove it. So wait until the whole rotation keeps going, is done. Then you're gonna grab your feet onto the board. Okay, so same problems with the shove it. Same problems with the 360 shove it are the same as the shove it. The board flipping, not catching it. The board scoots out of your feet. To evade that, you just wanna like lift up your feet. That's what I did when I was doing that trick flip. So that's my trick tip of the day. Well, see you guys later. Hey guys, this is Alvo139. This is another trick tip. Today's trick tip is the kick flip. A kick flip trick. This trick is basically an ollie and you're both flipping. Okay, first, the position is going to be your feet, your heel hanging just a little, just like that, and your feet planted on the ground. It's probably going to do almost the same motion as the ollie, but when you pop the board, you're not going to scoop forward or the board's going to ollie. You're going to scoop it right here on the side, so it flips. The difference between this and a kick flip and a heel flip, the heel flip is tap rotation. The kick flip is this. Most people get confused with that. So this rotation is kick flip, that's heel flip. Okay. So when you have to scoop it right here onto the corner of the board. When you flip that, you're gonna lift up your back foot out of the tail so it can rotate easily. When you see the grip tape coming, like probably this, you're gonna try putting your feet just like that, and your other foot same position. So you're probably like that. Or maybe when it flips, you can just like press it down, like press it. That's the only thing you have to do. So I'm gonna show you how that looks like. That's probably just a video. Okay. So you're gonna scoop it. Let the whole board rotate before you put pressure on it, so you can land it. See? Rotation, bam. There it is. So that's my trick tip of the day. See you guys later. Hey guys, Alvo139 here. Today's trick tip, that's 360 flip or tray flip. The tray flip is a 360 shove it and a kick flip put together. So the tray flip pretty much gonna look like this. that this trick is really complicated. You first want to know how to varial kick. That's like you get most of the feeling of it. Because a varial kick flip is half of the tray flip. I flipped it mostly skins 2 times or only once. I don't know how people do it. I already know how to spin too. So I'm gonna show you. First, some people put their toes, like their feet like this, and like the position is like this. But like for me, that's uncomfortable. So I put my foot just like a normal 360 shove it, and my foot at least in a 45-degree angle. After that, you're gonna scoop the board, and when the board gets right in the middle of it, right there, you're gonna kick it. So it starts the whole rotation and the flip. So, you still have to practice on it, so maybe I don't know if I can land it like that much often in the video. Okay, so here goes. See, you're gonna first take the board and wait until you finish the rotation. Like you can barely see it, like the grip tape coming. So just like try your luck. See, try not to kick it so far out, or it's gonna go all the way out like this. Kick it out, you're never gonna catch it. Or when you're doing it, try to spin up your feet. That's like a normal ollie, so you can ollie higher. So there, that's a trick tip. Let me see if I can land it in for you one time so you can get the feeling of it. Nah, still gotta practice. So that's a trick tip. So this trick is so hard. It really takes a lot of patience. Practice like me, I have practicing it like 3 or 2 months now. I still need practice. So let me try doing it one more time. Oh, there. I almost got it that time. So you gotta kick it hard. Well, not that hard. Now do it. Kick. But that's good enough to make the board rotate. And a good shove it so it gets the whole 360. Well, most of the is in the back foot, not in your front foot. That's just a lie. So sometimes people are kicking hard and they barely ever get it. So remember, always in the back foot. You see in the scoop. Practice your 360 shoves with it, and let's do a kick flip. Okay, so see you guys later.